In this video, you'll learn how you can add audio for remote learning to enhance remote learning. Um, so why add audio? Well, one of the big reasons is when teachers introduce tasks or assignments in a classroom, they often provide text and verbal directions. When we're in this remote learning environment, it's a lot harder to do that. And there's definitely no substitution for face-to-face learning, but we're trying to get as best we can. And I think adding audio might help, especially some of your students that struggle a little bit. So teachers working with students that are not as strong as readers, and I know we have some students like that in our school, just like most schools. It'll definitely help those students, but it kind of helps every student if you're able to put some audio in, especially if you're doing something with multi-steps, like a complex task, and you have many different things that you're trying to explain. So, and also it can just help that strengthen your connection with those students. When they hear your voice, when in addition to reading the directions, it just might help solidify their connectedness with you. So I'm going to show you a real simple way. There's many ways to do this. Please don't think I'm going to show you any old way. I'm just going to show you what I think is one of the easiest things to use. You could use your Mac computer, you could use your iPad, you could use several different ways. There's a lot of programs have built-in recording audio devices. So please don't think this is the only one. I just find that this one is very easy and fast. And so you might like this, you may not like this at all, but it's called Talking Comments. So I'm going to go ahead and show you where that is. I'm just going to take you out to my computer screen. So I just have a Google form open up for Wednesday. And I'm going to show you how I can add audio right in here to the directions. So what I'm using is that Talking Audio. It is an extension. So I am using Chrome as my browser. So it's an extension on Chrome. And if you go over here, this is your extensions tab right here. There's like this little puzzle looking piece. Okay, and if you can't find the extension, you could go down here where it says manage extensions. Okay, and if you forgot the name of it, you could always click back on here. It's called Talking Comments. So if you just click on Talk, it'll probably come right up as one of the extensions, and you can add that extension to your Chrome browser bar. So right now I have it pinned as well. So I pin my extension. So when I click on here, if I double click, you can pin it, or I could unpin it, which means it's basically visible up here, if that's what that means. So when you do have this on, you'll see this little thing hovering over here on your screen sometimes that looks like a microphone. And so I had that on here. So all I had to do, if I want to read something on my screen, I just come over here, I click this. Happy Wednesday, Moss Side Middle School. Today is day 4 of your specials rotation. All students are online today, and remember to follow the 2-hour delay schedule. Have a good day. So you can see what I did there. I'm going to stop this, pretend I just messed up. All right, so I don't obviously want to be talking to you while I'm doing this, but it's very simple. You just click on here and start speaking, and it has a little second timer. If you mess up, hit the X. So I click. Good morning, students. Happy Wednesday. Today is day 4 of your specials rotation. All students are online today, and remember to follow the 2-hour delay schedule. Have a good day. So I clicked that green check mark, which meant I'm done. Now, here is where you have a link. Now, there's a couple different ways of getting this link, but if I just press OK, I don't even need to worry about this. I just press OK. I can now go up to any one of these and just paste that in. Now, paste, the shortcut is Command V. So if I go Edit, Paste, you'll see it says Command V on a Mac. Okay. Now, if you're working from a Windows environment, good luck. It's Control V, I believe. But C and V are right next to it. So if you copy something, that's C. If you look at your keyboard, V is right next to C. So it's Command V. It kind of looks like an insert thing too. So if I just press paste, that inserted, and then it makes it a link. So if I preview this right now, I just want to see what this looks like, this is what your students will see. They'll see this little arrow right here. So if I click this, it'll play back. Good morning, students. Happy Wednesday. Today is day 4 of your specials rotation. All students are online today, and remember to follow the 2-hour delay schedule. Have a good day. Okay, and you could change this. You could write a little note here, like, click this arrow to play it or something. You could even give more directions. But that's as simple as it is. So I've been doing that on a daily attendance. I'm not sure if the students are, if it's helpful to some students, but I'm sure it is. And I'll do it down here as well. So I'm in preview mode right now. I got to get out of preview mode. So if I want to add another one, I'm just going to show you one more time real quick. So November is Good Nutrition Month. And I'm going to go ahead and capitalize the M there like it's suggesting me to. What are your favorite healthy foods? So I'm going to read that. So I'm just going to go over here. November is Good Nutrition Month. What are your favorite healthy foods? So I just click that. Okay, there's the link. I could copy and paste this link somewhere else if I want, or I just press OK. I just click right there, and I'm going to press Command V on my keyboard. There it is. So when I preview this is what it's going to look like for your students. You press play. November is good. And it's as simple as that. I think it's a really easy way to put audio in. A lot of teachers have been using audio, so please don't think the way you're doing it now is wrong or anything. I'm just trying to show you one more method that might work better for you, or you might think that the way you do it is better. It's also very good to give feedback after students are done with an assignment. So if you're grading something in Google Classroom, you could just go in and click on their assignment, and you could just real quickly drop this in and paste that into your feedback when it has like comments that you send back and forth, or an email. This works, and not just in like Google Forms or anything. It works on pretty much anything you have open that you open up with your browser. So good luck. I hope that helps. I find it very useful, and it's very easy to use.